Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. The United States seems to be quite busy in selling their weapons to Indian defense sources, and the latest deal in the pipeline, which would be very soon signed, is the contract for 30 General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper drones, which is also known as the Predator B drones. As per the defense sources, it looks like the procurement of an initial lot of 6 Reaper medium altitude long endurance drones would happen first, and out of these 6 drones, each defense force will get 2 of them. The contract is being broken up into 2 parts. The 6 MQ-9, which is worth of approximately 600 million US dollar, are to be purchased outright, and that would be delivered in the next few months. The remaining 24 drones would be acquired over the next 3 years. The discussion of procuring the armed drones from United States has been long under discussion, and there were many questions raised over its necessity given the high cost and also the operational requirement in India. More stress was from Indian Navy for such drones since they wanted a high altitude long endurance drone to fly in sync with the existing Boeing P-8I maritime patrol aircrafts. The high altitude long endurance drones can conduct surveillance, while the P-8I from Boeing will be able to do the anti-submarine warfare roles. According to General Atomics, the Sea Guardian, which is the maritime variant of Predator B, can fly at an altitude of 40,000 feet and has a maximum endurance of 35 hours. It can also carry an external payload of 2.1 tons across 9 hard points. Even though the justification provided by Indian Navy to monitor the vast ocean with Boeing P-8I and such drones makes sense, but according to many defense personnel, there have been questions on the need of armed drones for the Indian Army and Indian Air Force, due to which this particular deal has been delayed for a long time. Anyway, as per the recent update, looks like the induction of 6 General Atomics MQ-9B drones would be happening very soon, and let's hope that happens. So this was all about the recent happenings in the defense side, where Indian defense sources would be very soon inducting the high altitude long endurance Predator B drones from United States. I'll upload another video with more information about this deal when it happens. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.